Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Microsoft Store stuck on updating in Windows 11. First method is type Wsreset in Windows search bar, click Wsreset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System Components, select Store. Repair and reset. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Microsoft Store Install Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Fourth method is uninstall and reinstall Store. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.